What happens in your backyard doesn't stay in your backyard. It can ripple all the way to the sea and impact right whales. Here's the scoop. When rain runs off our roads, roofs, and parking lots, it picks up heat and pollutants, then flows downstream, washing all that gunk into the ocean. The result? Hotter, dirtier waters that hurt tiny phytoplankton in the base of the ocean food web and the copepods that right whales depend on for food. The Gulf of Maine, a critical spot for right whales, has seen phytoplankton productivity drop by 65% in 25 years. That means right whales have to eat more just to have the same nutritious meal, and they're already under threat from ship strikes and fishing gear entanglements. Attleboro, Massachusetts heard the call from the Ocean River Institute and is doing something bold, planting pocket forests, also called Miyawaki forests. Picture 35 native tree and shrub species packed tightly together, building super-rich soil, sucking up stormwater and cooling the air. Plans are to plant in O'Connell Field, today an unused baseball field, to become home for a 2,000-square-foot forest complete with walking paths and benches for birdwatching and community connection. With enough support, Attleboro could grow 5 of these green powerhouses, one a year. Each forest will reduce stormwater pollution and lessen the amount of warm water reaching the sea. It really does take a city, and you, to build a pocket forest that makes life better for whales. Keeping raindrops that fall in Attleboro eliminates stormwater, enabling more photosynthesis with more shade and more water infiltrating the ground to get us through dry periods and keep rivers flowing. Pocket forests in Attleboro benefits us all with greener landscapes and more nutritious food for whales in cleaner ocean waters.